Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on dollar yen. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. As you can see from the lower time frame, we can see the dollar yen giving us a significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, let's look at the bigger picture to see the general direction in the market, and then we'll jump onto this lower time frame to see how we can trade dollar yen. Looking at monthly, now from the monthly perspective, we can see that dollar yen has created another bullish market structure. Now, from this monthly support, we have seen that dollar yen tested this monthly opening and closing zone and created series of higher low along the zone and then started to bounce to the upside. Now, this is the monthly candle which is closing in couple of hours. We see that there is a long week candle on the monthly has created. Now, with that long week candle, what we have seen that dollar yen's buyers bought in that zone, and we could see that this market is moving to the upside again to test this monthly resistance level. If we look at the weekly perspective on dollar yen, we see that there is already a liquidity gap from this weekly support. As you can see below this doji, there is a huge liquidity, and there is a trigger of this liquidity, and the price started to move to the upside. Now, as you know, the price moves from liquidity to liquidity. Now from this level, we can expect now dollar yen to go ahead at least to test this liquidity zone, as there is a weekly candle on the weekly. What I think that the market might be breaking this high, going to this zone, and then trigger returning back from that level. So with that being said, we can expect dollar yen to continue to rise to the upside. Now if I look at daily, we can see that from the daily perspective also we see slowly dollar yen turning to a bullish market. First of all, what we have seen that on the daily with this movement correction, so back to back after three waves, dollar yen has formed a double bottom and then strongly rejected to the upside from this double bottom. Now with that rejection, we saw that dollar yen has broken this local trend line on the daily, followed by previous day we saw a narrow daily doji. Now this is the sign that there is a boost now stronger in the market. What I think that dollar yen, after little pullback, this is the daily candle, we could see further move to the upside, as there is a monthly close coming. Once the market open, we could see initially a movement to the upside, as there is a high liquidity here. We see on the weekly, we could see that this level is being retested in that direction. So if we look at further lower time frame on the daily, on the 4 hour, we see that there is already a structure created which is significantly bullish. So there is a big impulse to the upside, and then there is a consolidation. Now with that consolidation, we have seen this is a bullish structure, and that has broken to the upside and again tested with this red candle. Again we saw a bullish move, so the price is creating series of higher high and higher low. It's a typical bullish market structure. Now to go long with dollar yen, what I will be looking for the price to come down again to test this 20 EMA, where there is a high liquidity as well, and highly likely that, as you can see, if you look at daily, you can see this is the zone where the top of the doji on the daily, and from the intraday we can expect this price to break down, especially below this green candle and along this 20 EMA zone. So once the price will get overextended to the downside, we'll consider going long on dollar yen with a high probability trade setup with our students. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also let us know in the comment section which way you are trading dollar yen. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.